Hi guys, my name is Deepak and I am a scientist and a medical writer. Today I am going to share the way I create figures for my publications. The example images I have taken from Image, and the software I am using is called Inkscape to create the figures. So let's get started. Import the image directly into the working space. Select the image and change the size as desired. You will get the description of the size of the images from the journal's author's guidelines. These guidelines provide you how big the images should be and what should be the quality of the images. Here, for example, I have taken each panel of 50mm width and height. There are 6 panels in this examples, and I'm going to create different sizes using 2 rows 3 columns or 3 rows 2 columns. You can change the setting of the gap between the images by selecting the pixel size or by another unit. I'm going to change the pixel size and click on arrange to see how the changes are applied to the images arrangement. When you want to change the sequence of the images from top to bottom or left to right, just place them manually in rough positions. Apply the row and column settings. Afterwards, you can label them. I hope this helps you. Thank you so much for watching. There are other videos that I have uploaded about educational content. Please have a look at them and share and subscribe.